bigote, palang pamatay, panalong idol ko, macho, macho, kapatid, Johnny at ngunit siyang
Good morning everyone, good afternoon and good evening. This is Mako with a capital M. So today we will mix a cocktail. So today's cocktail recipe is it is named after a popular tool that is either plus or minus. So actually this is also a popular drink. So this is called screwdriver. And by the way, this video is dedicated to my brother Ramil Nishiyama of Bicol. Brother Ramil, happy birthday. So this is for you. Shoutouts to Nishiyama family, Taugama P, TTFS Japan, and shoutouts to all Bicolanos out there. Maray na aldaw sa inyo bubos mga Bicolanos. So let's begin. So actually this week is very easy to prepare. So what we need is vodka. So first we will pour this glass with ice. Vodka, so it's up to you if you like it strong or weak one.
Ikaw ang modelo ng isang tunay na lalaki.
Okay. And next is the orange juice. Stir it. So I don't have a stirring rod, so we will use this time. And before we serve it, garnish it with fresh orange. Okay, so we don't have a straw right now. So this is screwdriver. Brother Ramil, again, happy birthday. More blessings to come, and kapay.